Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. It's time to travel again, and this time around the world to discover the best places to visit in October in the world. Beer, anyone? That's right, we're talking Oktoberfest. Now, everyone knows about Munich, right? But the world is with epic Oktoberfest celebrations you haven't even heard of. From Brazil to Hong Kong, we're about to take you on a wild ride to 10 destinations that are absolutely it with their Oktoberfest festivities. So get ready for some serious fun, because we're diving into the ultimate Oktoberfest bucket list. Alright, gotta start with the OG, right? Munich, Germany, the birthplace of Oktoberfest. If you're serious about beer drinking, pretzel eating, lederhosen wearing, then Munich is the place. Millions of people from around the world descend upon Munich for this massive party. 14 giant tents, each with its own unique vibe and special brews. Augustiner Festhalle, known for its local Munich crowd. Hofbräu Festhalle, where things get wild. And Hackerfestzelt, famous for its incredible live music. It's not just about the beer, it's the food too. Imagine sinking your teeth into a giant juicy pretzel. And the atmosphere, surrounded by people singing Bavarian music, faces lit with joy. It's electric, it's contagious, it's an experience unlike any other. Alright, now let's switch gears and head south, way south, to Blumenau, Brazil. That's right, you heard me correctly. Oktoberfest in Brazil. Now, you might be thinking, Oktoberfest in South America? What's that all about? But this isn't your typical German beer fest. Blumenau is like the love child of Germany and Brazil, where traditional Bavarian culture collides with that infectious Brazilian energy. Think lederhosen paired with feathered headdresses, oompa bands jamming alongside samba rhythms. It's a cultural fusion that you won't find anywhere else, and let me tell you, it is. Imagine yourself sipping on a crisp, cold chop, that's Brazilian for draft beer, while watching a parade of elaborately dressed dancers sashay down the street. The music is pumping, the sun is shining, and the energy is off the charts. And the food, yes, the food. Imagine biting into a juicy grilled linguiça sausage, followed by a plate of feijoada, a traditional Brazilian black bean stew. So, if you're looking for a unique and unforgettable Oktoberfest experience, one that combines the best of German and Brazilian cultures, then Blumenau is the place to be. Alright, back to the US of A, because we're heading to Cincinnati, Ohio. This city knows how to throw a party, and their Oktoberfest, also known as Oktoberfest Cincinnati, is the biggest one in the entire country. We're talking about shutting down 6 blocks of downtown Cincinnati, with over 500,000 people flooding the streets for a weekend of pure Bavarian bliss. You got your oompa bands, your beer stein holding contests, your dachshund races, you name it, Cincinnati's got it. Now, one thing Cincinnati does differently is the food. Sure, they got your bratwurst and pretzels, but they also throw in some local Cincinnati flavor. Imagine biting into a spicy gutta sausage, a Cincinnati specialty, or chowing down on a steaming plate of Cincinnati chili, a unique meat sauce served over spaghetti. And let's not forget about the running of the wieners. Picture this, hundreds of dachshunds dressed in hot dog costumes racing down the street. Cincinnati's Oktoberfest is all about embracing the spirit of the festival, having a good time, and celebrating German heritage with a Midwestern twist. Alright, let's hop over to Canada because Kitchener-Waterloo is bringing the Great White North's version of Oktoberfest. And it's seriously impressive. This isn't just some small town festival. This is the second largest Oktoberfest in the world. For 9 straight days, Kitchener-Waterloo transforms into a giant Bavarian wonderland. Think massive Festhallen packed with people raising their steins, traditional German music filling the air, and the aroma of sauerkraut and bratwurst wafting through the streets. One of the coolest things about Kitchener-Waterloo's Oktoberfest is the sheer variety of events. They've got everything from traditional parades with elaborate floats and marching bands, to Miss Oktoberfest pageants, and even a massive Thanksgiving Day feast with all the fixings. And let's talk about the food for a second, because Kitchener-Waterloo takes its German cuisine seriously. Kitchener-Waterloo's Oktoberfest is a testament to Canada's multiculturalism, its love of a good party, and its appreciation for German heritage. Hold up, because we're about to take Oktoberfest to a whole new level. We're going to Asia, to the vibrant, bustling city of Hong Kong. That's right, Oktoberfest isn't just a European or American thing. It's a global phenomenon, and Hong Kong proves it. Now, imagine this. You're surrounded by towering skyscrapers, the city lights reflecting off Victoria Harbour, and in the middle of it all, a massive Oktoberfest tent pulsating with energy. It's a clash of cultures that somehow just works, creating an atmosphere that's both familiar and excitingly new. Hong Kong's Oktoberfest is all about embracing the fusion of East meets West. You'll find traditional German bands sharing the stage with local Hong Kong musicians, creating a unique blend of musical styles. And the food? Get ready for some serious culinary creativity. Think classic German dishes with a Hong Kong twist, like bratwurst bao buns or sauerkraut dumplings. So, if you're looking for an Oktoberfest experience that's truly unique, one that blends German tradition with the energy and excitement of Asia's most dynamic city, then Hong Kong is calling your name. Let's head down under to the land of sunshine and good vibes. Brisbane, Australia. Brisbane's Oktoberfest is the biggest in Australia, blending Aussie vibes with German tradition. Soak up the sun, smell the eucalyptus, and raise a stein of ice-cold German beer. Enjoy Oompa bands, German food stalls, and rivers of beer, with outdoor activities, live music, and a family-friendly atmosphere. The festival is right on the banks of the Brisbane River. Enjoy stunning city views while soaking up the festive atmosphere. Next up, La Crosse, USA, a taste of the old world in Wisconsin. We're heading to La Crosse, Wisconsin. Isn't that cheese country? Yes, but also Oktoberfest. La Crosse has one of the most authentic Oktoberfest celebrations in the US, with a history over 150 years. The city is steeped in German heritage. From costumes to food and beer, it's a taste of Bavaria. And you know I love a good parade. Marching bands, colorful floats, and Bavarian outfits. It's about community heritage and good times. Alright adventurers, pack your bags because we're heading to Windhoek, Namibia. That's right, Oktoberfest in Africa. It's time to experience the unique blend of German and African cultures that make Windhoek's celebration so special. Imagine this, you're surrounded by the vast, rugged beauty of the Namibian landscape, the sun setting over the savannah, and in the middle of it all, you hear the familiar sounds of oompa music and laughter. It's a surreal and unforgettable experience, and it's one that you'll only find in Windhoek. Now, Windhoek has a strong German influence, dating back to its colonial past. But instead of just replicating a traditional German Oktoberfest, Windhoek has made it its own, blending German traditions with African hospitality and flair. You'll find all the classic Oktoberfest elements, the beer tents, the German food, the music, but you'll also experience the warmth and energy of African culture. And the best part? You get to experience all of this while surrounded by the incredible natural beauty of Namibia. Alright, we're sticking around South Africa but heading down the coast to Cape Town. This city is known for its stunning natural beauty, its vibrant culture, and its love of a good party. And when it comes to Oktoberfest, Cape Town definitely knows how to bring the energy. Imagine yourself celebrating Oktoberfest with the iconic Table Mountain as your backdrop, the sun setting over the Atlantic Ocean, and the sounds of laughter and music filling the air. It's an unforgettable experience that combines the best of German tradition with the unique spirit of Cape Town. Cape Town's Oktoberfest is a relatively new addition to the city's already bustling festival scene. But it's quickly become a local favorite. It's a chance for Capetonians and visitors alike to let loose, celebrate German heritage, and enjoy the city's legendary hospitality. You'll find all the classic Oktoberfest elements, the beer tents, the traditional German food, the bands. But you'll also experience the infectious energy and warmth that Cape Town is known for. It's the perfect opportunity to indulge in some culinary exploration. Alright, last but not least, we're crossing the channel to London, England. Because even in the land of tea and crumpets, they know how to throw down for Oktoberfest. London's Oktoberfest celebrations have exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They bring that infectious Bavarian spirit right to the heart of the UK. And it's an absolute blast. Imagine this. You're in one of London's trendiest neighborhoods, surrounded by historic pubs and cutting-edge street art, and suddenly you stumble upon a massive Oktoberfest tent, packed with people raising steins and belting out German drinking songs. It's a surreal and awesome experience. And it's what makes London's Oktoberfest so special. You'll find massive beer tents erected in parks and open spaces across the city, each one offering its own unique atmosphere and selection of beers. And the food? Get ready for some serious German indulgence. Think giant pretzels, mountains of sauerkraut, and plates piled high with bratwurst and schnitzel. So, there you have it, folks. 10 incredible destinations around the world where you can experience the magic of Oktoberfest. From the traditional celebrations of Munich to the unique cultural fusions of Blumenau and Hong Kong, there's an Oktoberfest experience out there for everyone. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these destinations is calling your name? Have you ever been to an Oktoberfest celebration outside of Germany? Let me know in the comments below. Prost! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides.